So following up on the progress of enhanced RAS, we'll pick up where I left off last time, and that was Dockerizing the whole setup so that embedding service could work with RAS engine service by creating a simple Docker compose file and letting an OpenSearch instance run along it as well. So most of my work has been done in the develop branch. So if you go on my repository and see the main branch, I have yet to merge it back into main. I'll do that once all the required issues and all the required enhancements are done in develop. So like I mentioned in my previous short, RAS engine is its own repository over here and it's its own complete project, but technically it's not complete because RAS engine also has to communicate with embedding service, and this is where you upload your documents to get chunked and create embeddings of them through let's say an OpenAI model, ADA model, or a text embedding model, and then it goes and uh, it it helps you place your embedded chunks in an OpenSearch instance. And then you go back to RAS engine and then place your query and retrieve the relevant chunks to your query. That's how this is supposed to work. And RAS engine does a little semantic search on top of it as well, creating different uh, identifying what the main subject of your query is basically. So to make both of those services work together, I created Docker files here for embedding service and also for the RAS engine service. And this Docker Compose YML, this basically helps both instances, both services run together on their respective ports here. And then if you have Docker Desktop open like I do over here and I go use the following build command, it'll start building the instances for me. Yeah, the first time you spin them up, it'll take some time, but the next time, every subsequent time, it'll be much easier. And if you go and check the logs using this command, you can see that it's the RAS engine service is running with the model GPT-4o mini and using the embedding models, Gemini embedding model. And if you check the embedding service logs as well, you can see that the index exists, some documents have already been uploaded to it, and it's ready to go. So you can use a curl command like this or use Postman if you want and send your query and you'll get back a response. Finally, I also updated my readmes, so this is a much more pleasant user experience to spin them up and understand it. And I provided example envs here as well, so you can just plug in your API keys and start experimenting yourself.